Hello everyone, and welcome to Vulinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check if your Windows 11 product key is genuine. And now, let's get started. To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Microsoft Store. Navigate to the Microsoft Store application and open it. Once the store is open, use the search functionality within the store to look for ShowKey Plus and press Enter. Locate the ShowKey Plus application and proceed to install it. I will now click on the Open button. Please be patient, as the application takes a moment to load. After the application has fully loaded, it will display your product key. If a product key is visible here, it indicates that your Windows 11 installation is genuine. Conversely, if no product key is shown, it suggests that it may not be genuine. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.